through the land of Lehigh descent, I take a look at my guys just to feel disorient. Cause I've been righteous and faithful so long that even Jesus thinks that my sin is gone. But I ain't never met a people that act so wicked. They be lying through their teeth, their soul so insipid. I just saw a pickpocket, but no one stops it. Cause all these jokers do it till they at the top. I really wanna preach, but I can't unfold. I see anger in their eyes, they don't seem so sold. But I'm the kind of guy the little Nephites wanna be like, on my knees day and night, praying they'll turn to Christ's light. They've been spending most of their lives living in apostate paradise. They've stoned prophets once or twice, living in apostate paradise. I see all kinds of sin and vice, living in apostate paradise. But worst of all, they deny the Christ, living in apostate paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I'm out teaching all my life. I was raised one with Christ, so I gotta teach him all this great story. Repenting ain't a lot to obtain his glory. I'm a God-fearing saint with lessons on my mind. Got Holy Writ in my hand and baptism nearby. I know I'm a stranger, but my sermons are bangers. Get to know me and God won't unleash his anger. Death ain't nothing if you're living this way. Live again with the homies, what can I say? My family's eternal, so no fear to let go. Will you accept this great message? I don't know. Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the gospel of Christ is for you and me? They've been spending most of their lives living in apostate paradise. They've stoned prophets once or twice, living in apostate paradise. I see all kinds of sin and vice, living in apostate paradise. But worst of all, they deny the Christ, living in apostate paradise. Power in the money, money in the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's killing, but they keep overlooking Christ atoned for all their sins. But they so inward looking. They say they got it all and nobody's gonna thank me, cause they don't understand it. They just wanna shank me. They just reject, they just deflect, they stay unchecked. That's why I know their seed is cursed till death, yo. They've been spending most of their lives living in apostate paradise. They've stoned prophets once or twice, living in apostate paradise. I see all kinds of sin and vice, living in apostate paradise. But worst of all, they deny the Christ, living in apostate paradise. Hey, why are we so blind to see that the God